Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to discuss the trades which I took in this week. So as you can see in my Twitter account, I posted it today only that I made 27,000 this week, which is more than 1%. Premiums are high and it's a good time to make money by option selling. Right, so my capital is approximately 20 lakhs. It increased to more than 22 lakhs, but then I removed the capital and I invested in a few shares. Okay, so it is currently approximately 20 lakhs, and you can see it here also. If you add both of them, that is around approximately 20 lakh rupees. So using 20 lakh rupees, I made approximately 27,000 rupees in this week. Right, these are the few trades, and I'll show you how exactly I went. The first trade for this week I took on 9th September. Okay, 9th September was a Friday. Okay, so on Friday I took this trade. As you can see, let's go to 9th September first on Nifty. See, in Nifty, this is the early chart, and you can see here on 9th September, Nifty was trading around 17,850. So that time the market was a bit bullish, but I did not expect it to cross 18,000. Still, I went and sold 18,300 because the premiums are very good. The premiums were around 16.5 rupees, and I sold 1000 quantity. That would give me a total premium of 16,500. So now I only had to make 3,500 to get my 1%. Okay, so that is why I took the trade on Friday. Otherwise, I would have taken it on Monday. Okay, and there was some inflation news also expecting. Okay, was expected. That is why I gave the premiums high. So to be on the safe side, I sold a FAR OTM option. Fast forward to Monday, that is September 12th. Market kept on rising. That is on 12th. As you can see, the market kept on making a higher high, and it was in touching distance of 18,000. So what did I do? I went and sold 17,200 put option around 6 rupees. Now why did I do that? Because if I multiply 6.25 by 500, that you will get around 3,000 rupees, and that will take my profit to approximately 20,000. So I'll be reaching my 1% target. But why did I sell it so far? I could have sold a bit near also and could have gained more premiums, but I did not do it because the simple reason being that the market was continuously rising, and when the market rises very fast, the corrections are also very fast. Okay, so you could expect, there are many a times it has happened, like you can see it here also. The market was heading and it started falling, that also very fast. So the same thing could happen out here. I felt that it could happen that the market might fall steeply, so that would have increased the put premiums very highly. So that is why I did not take any chances. Okay, okay, yeah. So on September 13th, that is on Tuesday. Okay, what happened? You can see here. See, September 13th, you can see the market crossed 18,000. Okay, markets were really bullish. So what did I do? I squared off my 70,000 put 200 option, and I did not do anything because the market were really bullish. I did not know what to do. Should I sell a closer put option? But the next day, when the markets are really bullish, as I already told you, the next day the market can gap down and fall a lot. So that is why I did not do anything, and I was just sitting. And my 18,300 put also started showing losses, whereas here I was getting good profits. I have already made 7,000 profit, but all of a sudden I was in a loss. But still I did not do anything, and I went, on you can see on Wednesday, that is on September 14th, you can see there was a big gap down. That was around how much you can say, 300 points gap down. And because of the inflation news, you can see there was a big gap down, and so I made the most of that. What did I do? I went and sold 17,400 put option. Now why did I do that? You saw that in the last time I just sold 17,200, but now what I am doing, what did I do? I went and sold a closest put option, that to 17,400 put option. Now you might be asking, why did I do it? The simple reason being, the Indian markets are really bullish at this moment. Okay, the market fell because of the US market, because there was a higher than expected inflation result. So that is why the markets in the US fell a lot, and so SGX Nifty was also imitating the US markets. That is why we fell 300 points on the gap down. But there was no big news in India as such. There was no local news to for this thing to happen. So what happened? There was a big gap down, and as soon as the gap down happened, I went and sold 17,400 put option, that 2,000 quantity around 8 rupees, and I easily got the 8,000, because as you can see the market started rallying as soon as it opened, because this news was based in US. It was not something local, so there was no need to panic at this moment, and it was the best opportunity to buy shares at a lower price, or just by selling put option I made a lot of money. See, as you can see here, and this also started showing profits. Okay, and today, that is Thursday, I did not do anything as such. I just squared off these two positions. And what did I do else? I was checking the future, the price option prices, and what did I find out? Find is that today the market was a little, the market was falling. It was not a strong market today. Okay, maybe a lot of people were booking profits. Anyways, you can see that today what happened was, today is 15th September, and you can see what happened. As soon as the market opened, it started to fall. But what I realized is, it soon it crossed even 18,000, right? It fell below 18,000, and what did I find was that 18,200 premium was 18,200 call option was getting a good premium of 4 rupees, and this 4 rupees you were getting around 17,800 put option. Like the you had to be more closer towards the push side to get the same premium. I don't know why this was happening, but it seemed that many people were expecting the market to rally. I don't know. Anyways, I was getting a very good premium of 4 rupees, and the market was around 200 to 300 points away, right? And today is the last day, but still I'm getting 4 rupees, so I just went and sold that. Okay, I've sold 900. I could have sold more, but due to insufficient funds, I was only able to do 950 quantity, and at the end of the day, I made good profits here, and the total profits I made, that is 27,000. So this was a very very good week, a easy week, you can say. I did not have to do many adjustments or such or anything as such. Even when the market fell, uh, I was lucky that I was just selling the call option. I wasn't selling any put option, because whenever there is a news, it's always better to be on the safer side. So for the next week, uh, I haven't done a lot of analysis, but what I'm trying to say, what I'm saying is that the premiums have increased a lot. As you can see here, the VIX has increased a lot, so the premiums are high. The VIX is hovering around 18 rupees, so you are getting good premiums. So you can easily sell far away options in Nifty. I trade in Nifty, but it is equally applicable to Bank Nifty as well. So what I'll be doing is, my strategy is nothing but very simple. I'll just look at where the market is opening tomorrow. I'll just wait for a few minutes or a few hours, I guess, and then if I get good premiums either on the higher side or lower side, accordingly I will trade. And I'm also planning to take a trade on Adani also, but it might be a bit risky, because Adani is making all-time high every day. And even today, when the market fell, Nifty fell 0.7%, but Adani made, was high approximately 5% at one point of the time. When the market is falling and Adani is making every day a lot, lifetime high, then it's a concern, right? So yeah, so I'm planning to sell Adani 4,000 call option. If this, it hasn't opened yet. You see, when I'm searching Adani 4,000, it has not yet opened. Adani 3,900 call option is the maximum available, but I don't want to take any chances. Adani 3,900 call option has already shot up. If you can see, it has already shot up to approximately 100 rupees. Right, you can say it's 98.5. It has shot up to approximately 100 rupees. So I'm expecting that the 4,000 call option will be open tomorrow. I'll wait for a few moments, then I might take a trade on Adani, might sell a call option, and if the market starts riding, Adani starts to rise, then I might do a hedged position, maybe buy, if the higher call options also open, then I might sell a higher, sell 4,000 and might buy a higher call option to hedge my position. Okay, so guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching.